Good game pa rin, good game. We're trying to. Okay, start. Apollo versus Zeus. Isidro to JV for 3. No good. Makakuha ni Von ang defensive rebound. John Allen with a quick shot. No good. Rebound ako ni Kim. Nakuha naman ni Chao ngayon. Offensive. Wala pa rin. Box out. Up. Okay, good. Oh, tama yung ginagawa niya. Tama yan. Patakbo oras eh. Oh, muntik na. Oh, muntik pa rin. Bobet. Wala pa rin. Oh, ni Chao. Si Chao may isang offensive, isang defensive. Rebound na. Nakay Bon. Bon goes all the way. Oh. Good daw, good daw. Sabi ni Bon, good daw. Reset ang shot clock. Hingay kay JB. JB with the goal before. Wala! Rebound ni Chong. Solo ni Kim. 2 points by Kim. Assist. Chong. Two-0 tayo. 2-0. Nakay Sen. Johnson. JB. Gets closer. Kick out pass. Cray for 3. Bang! Assist JB. Cray with a 3. Score is 3-2. Ito ay game number 6. Tama? 6 na. Up. Up pass. Up. 9 seconds shot clock. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3. Just in the nick of time. Jao. 2 points. Assist by Bon. JB, nagmamadali. JB, wala. Rebound ni Jao. Ulit. Jao pa rin. Jao goes middle. Oh no. Go on for the 3. Goes back, wala. Rebound, makuha ni Cry. Ay, binaw na. Foul. On the 3. All on the 3. Cancel yun. Buti nauhuli ng konti yung statistician natin. Jonas with the easiest shot of this ball game. Wala. Rebound. Nakuha ni Isidro. Nag-easy. Nasa kay JB. JB. Back to Isidro. Naku. Pasang-pasang rebound. Naka-Isidro, pilit bola, wala. Nakuha ni Jao ulit. Jao, racking up the boards. Jao, nice pass to Chong. Uy! Kuha na to. Bobet with the rebound. Nice pass by Bobet, sayang. Turnover. Naka-Kim. Master Kim. Hindi kay BJ. BJ with the fake. BJ, hook shot. BJ. 2 points. 6-3. Close game pa rin so far. 11 minutes and 40 seconds. Ten seconds shot clock. Sorry po. Ayan na. 7 seconds shot clock. 6, 5, 4, 3. Wala. Naka-Joe. Huli yun. Huli. Ganda ng huli. Nice pass by... Interception lang. Bobet yung 2 points. Jao, kick out pass. Bon, goes middle. Walang nakaharang. Uy, sayang. Chong with the offensive rebound. Wala pa rin. Chong pa rin. 2 offensive rebounds by Chong. Jao, free throw shot is good. Assist by Chong. 8-5. Oy, shot clock. Parisit, sir. Sige lang. Tuloy. Oh, teka. Nilabas. Ayan, 17, 16. Balik kay Cry. Cry with his third attempt. No good. Bon. Rebound, Bon. Outlet pass. Oy, sayang yun. Pero good option pa rin yun.
Good.
Labas ulit. Reset tayo sa 24, sir. Thank you. 8-5. Lamang yung 8. Bobet goes middle, wala. Rebound. Jao ulit. Jao with another rebound. Jao racking up the boards. Nice pass. Von to Chong. 10-5. Lamang yung 10. Lamang yung Team Zeus, yes. Apollo, mahabol. 13 seconds sa shot clock. JB goes middle. JB, 2 points. Tinangke. Wala assist yun kasi nakatatlong dribble na. Self-serving na. 10-7. 12 seconds sa inyong shot clock. Bon to Jao. Jao, patented shot. Bang! Grabe talaga yun. Si Boss Jao. Assist na naman ni Bon. Oh, with a hand on his face. 12-7. Babawi niya. JB with the block. JB fade. Ayun, Isidro nang ibabaw sa rebound. Nagigis Jansen. JB. Finger rolls for 2. Assist by Jansen. 12-9. 8 minutes and 50 seconds. Ang natitira. 12-9. 16 seconds sa inyong shot clock. Easy 2 points by Kim. Big J with assist. Dalas na. Maharap. JB, 1 against 4. Ang ganda ng pasa. Ganda ng pasa. Bumabawi ang Apollo. Dumidikit. Shot clock, 12 seconds. Shot clock, 10 seconds. Jao, baseline. Big J assist again. Jao, 2 points. They are milking that play, Pero ito na, nakakabawi talaga agad, yung Apollo.
Okay lang, boy. Nice deal.
JV assist. Sino nag-inbound? Di natin nakita, sorry. Ay, si Bobby. Thank you, sir. 16-13. 12 seconds shot clock. Big J. Pull up 2. Wala. Rebound, Cry. Cry, 3 on 2. Cry. Naganap na mapapasahan. Ay. Sayang.
Wala. Heads up. Tatlo lang yan.
16-13. Big J. 13 seconds sa kanila shot clock. Bon, nagsipang, wala. Makakuha ni Bobet with a very strong outlet pass. Ay! Good yan. Good na yan. Bobet goes middle. Bobet, kick out. JV for 3. Wala, rebound. Makakuha ni Kim. Outlet pass. Kaya, nakatali ko si Cry. Kay Bon. Bon, binigay kay Big J. Pasa kay Jao. Counted yun. Big J with the assist. Steal by Bon. Yun lang yung ganda. Oy. Ayan. Steal by Cry. Kay Bobet. Bobet with the... Ulala.
Kuha.
18-15. Lamang na tatlo ang Zeus.
Okay.
Big J pa rin with the left. Down. 18-15. Eto na. 10 seconds sa inyong shot clock. Ay, na-reset pala. Ayun na, 10 seconds. Big J! Wala. Solong offensive rebound. 10 seconds, shot clock. 8, 7. Kim, wala. Rebound, makukuha ni Jonad pa rin. Good. Outlet pass, mauhuli. Mauhuli nga. 18-15 pa rin. Bigay kay Kim. Kim with the post move. Kim, 2 points. Assist by Von. Bigay tayo kay Bobet. Bobet. To JB. JB, dalawang pinatalon. Oh.
Bigalit ah.
Magkaibigan pa rin yan after ng game. 2015. Bobet, nice kick out pass. Cray for 3. Masyado malakas. Rebound. Uy, na-steal ni Isidro. Na kay Bobet. Bobet pa rin. Bobet sa ilalim. Pasa kay Isidro. Isidro.
Ayan na.
Free throw shot. Bang! Assist. 2017. 4 minutes and 30 seconds. Lamang ang Zeus. $14 seconds shot clock. 10 seconds shot clock. 8, 7, 6. Grabe talaga yun, sis. Tres daw. Lumalayo na yung range niya. Ito na si Zach Lavine. Op.
Tumapit sa bicep.
Ikaw ang pumahol, ikaw nasaktan, no? 23-17. Jansen, 2 points. Easy 2 points by Chief Jansen. 23-19. 3 minutes and 35 seconds. 30 seconds pa, sorry. 10 seconds shot clock. Na Kim, pump fake, up. Di na pinaangat. Oy, Reggie. Ayos na. Bola. And then, ano yan? Miss na lang yan. Miss yan. Wedgie. Up! Bola ng, blue tuloy. Basta away. Iba-iba sila ng jersey eh. Apollo. Ayan na. 3 minutes. JB, binabantayan. Navigating the floor. Ayun. Masasabitan. Nakay Bobet. Bobet goes middle. Bobet with a jelly. Wala. Rebound. Makukuha ni. Jao. Jao pa rin. Jao. Sizes. Timothy goes for the 2 points. Kanya nga lang yun. Sa'yo lahat, sir.
Kaya mo.
55-19. Binigay kay JB. JB. Namuwersa na. Grabe. Jansen. Easy 2 points. Uy! Op! Kayo bahala dyan. Bobet. Free throw shot. Is good. 25-21. Ano siya sabi niya? Naibig siya. Oy, 4 lang no? 1 minute and 55. Grabe naman yung cut na yun. Oh, muntik na. JB, rebound. 4 lang yan. JB goes all the way. Yup. Wala agad. Stop time tayo. 1:45. 1:45. Eto na. Bigay kay Chip. Chip sa middle. Craig goes for the 3. Wala, rebound. Makuha ni Chong. Hawak daw, hawak. BJ, tumatakbo. Ganda naman nun, BJ! Yun! Assist by BJ. 27-21. Tingnan natin ang bawi ng Apollo. Oops, yun lamang. BJ with the rebound. They're gonna milk the clock.
Alim lang.
1 minute and 10 seconds. Good defense lang daw, sabi ng, ng mga away team. Uy, grabe naman yun. Nag-dream shake bigla sa middle.
Wag na, pre. Wag na.
Isusure ko. Assist yan, ha? Assist yan. 29-23. Bobek yata. Still a 6-point game, pero malayo na ang oras, 44 seconds na lamang po. Na kay BJ. BJ na steal pa. Eh ba, si Cry, oh. Cry will go for the 2. 9-5. Mga full court press na. 10 seconds sa kanilang shot clock. 10 seconds. 10 seconds to shoot. Nako, libreng-libre si BJ. Uy! Grabe yun! Good one! Good one! Grabe yun! Nakascore din yung kabila. 31-27. Tuloy-tuloy pa rin. Pero ayan na, minute na nila yung clock. Si JB. Pero ano na, 6 seconds. 5, 4. Dumagdag sa kota. Ayun. 31-27. Grabe, nakunan mo yung tira ni BJ. Nakunan yun. Grabe. Over the backboard. Nice game, sir. Winner, Team Zeus. Player of the game. Boss Paul, sino? O, si Chow. Si Chow, tinangke.